Welcome to a DIY and Decor many ways video where I shall do one simple DIY and decorate and style in many ways. Thanks to Tracey of Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting the challenge of Thrift Flip. Do check her channel and playlist in my description box, and please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I did a thrift buy, a small aluminium bucket. I like the shine and it won't rust. There are many videos on stencil art and stickers, but I shall paint a monogram. My family name on the bucket with black paint. My bucket looks really pretty. Let me share my ideas of styling one bucket in many ways. Style 1. Decorating outside with flowers. Style 2. Flowers against bold colored wall. Style 3. Some raw jute and ropes. Style 4. With some jute and pine cones. Style 5. Adding life with live plant. Style 6. Against dark background with toiletries. Style 7. For someone who loves to knit. Style 8. Have something to read. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.